Happy Thursday, boys and girls. Mrs. Kondo here, and I'm ready to teach you some math. Let's do a quick warm-up. Look at my 10 frames. This is mental counting. Remember, 10, and you count on, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you would say 20, right? Okay, let's do some all by yourself. How many? $19. How many? $15. Remember, if you need a little practice, rewind. Si les falta ayuda porque no pueden reconocer los números rápido, practiquen otra vez esta sección. Number 17. Okay, remember you should say 10. Good job. 13. Number 16. Number, so remember that's easy, right? 10. 11. Number 18. Number 12. Number, count on. Good, 14. Awesome, boys and girls. You did awesome. Boys and girls, today we're going to continue with our essential question. Let me get my sign here. Let's read it. How can I use objects to subtract? I'm excited. I have a new sign for you today. So let's go over our old vocabulary. We went over. Remember, we are subtracting, right? Say subtraction. Subtraction. When we subtract, we what? We take away, right? We take away and we find out how many are left. Right, boys and girls? Today, we're going to continue to subtract. Like, look at the vocabulary word here. 5 elephants went for a walk. 3 went away to take a nap. And we cross them out. How many are left? 2. 5 take away 3 is 2. We're going to continue working on this one. But today, I have a new sign for you. Is that the plus sign? No, it's not. Boys and girls, it's a new sign. Let me tell you all about it. Let me get my little friend here. Boys and girls, I want to introduce to you Linus the Minus. What's his name? Linus the Minus. Boys and girls, he is the minus sign. Just like you saw here. See? He is the minus sign. And boys and girls, we use the minus sign, Linus, to subtract, don't we? When we want to find out what the difference is. And when we take away, we use him. And we want to find out how many are left, we have to use this symbol to show all that. And we say less. So we're going to be using who? Linus the Minus. He takes away. Linus the Minus, he finds the difference. Linus the Minus, he shows us less. Linus the Minus, what's left? So don't forget, what is he called? The minus sign. And look, this is how we're going to use them. So this is the whole, right? So if I have 5 fingers and I take away how many fingers? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. See? Linus here tells us that we need to take away. So today, do you want to help me do that, boys and girls? Let's use who? Linus, the minus sign. He's going to help us take away. Remember, no plus sign. Not today. Linus. And look, he's kind of grumpy because guess what? He likes taking things away. That's not cool, but it's okay. We need him for math. That's why he's a little grumpy, boys and girls. He takes things away. He's kind of grouchy. So I have a quick little math story. Are you ready? Listen to my story. And then you're going to help me, okay? Because I want you to tell me what I need. There are 2 turtles sitting on a rock. 2 turtles leave to go look for some food. How many are left? So boys and girls, how many turtles were sitting on the rock? 2. How many went away? 2. Do you remember what sign I need, boys and girls? The minus sign. So let me do it here. Yes. So let's see. There were 2 turtles laying on the rock. 2 turtles went away. How many are left, boys and girls? 0. Good. 2 take away 2 is 0. Or you can say 2 less 2 is 0. Good job. Let's try some more. Are you ready? Okay, let's turn my phone off. Ooh, I got some snakes for you. Four snakes were slithering on the ground. How many snakes were slithering on the ground? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 snakes went back to the den. How many am I going to take away, boys and girls? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1. This time I want you to help me retell the story. How many snakes were slithering on the ground? 4. How many snakes went away, boys and girls? 3. What's the sign I'm using today? The minus sign. Linus, the minus. How many snakes are left? That's right, 1. Because 4 went to go look. 4 were slithering and 3 went to go look for food. Good job. Isn't this easy? So we're using this, okay? Okay, last story. So we can show you some workbook activities. Okay, let me get my alligators. Are you ready? Listen to my subtraction story. Remember, we are taking away. That's how we subtract. We're using the minus sign that lets us know we have to take away and see what's left. Let's begin. There are 6 alligators looking for food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 alligators leave. How many are left? Okay. How many did I have? Let me move them down here. How many did I have at the beginning? 6. How many went away? 4. Boys and girls, what sign do I use that shows take away or less? What's the sign? Yes, you remember the minus sign. Linus, the minus. He likes to take away. So let me do my minus sign. Yes. 6. Take away 4 is, so I have 6. Let me take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, how many are left? 1, 2. Yay! 6 take away 4 is 2. Isn't that easy? So today you're going to be using the what? The minus sign. And let me show you your quick little activity. And for your worksheet, boys and girls, they actually tell you the story here. So if you see birds, you need to make up your story. And if you see rabbits, you need to make up your rabbit story. Okay, so let me tell you a quick story. And remember, to show subtract, we have to do what? Make our X's. There are 5 birds sitting in the nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 flew away. So I crossed them out, right? Let me put 2. Remember how many went away? 2. What's the sign we're going to use? Minus. So read it with me. 5 take away 2 is, let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3. Good. So what's number 1? You count all the group, right? Count all the group. What's number 2? You make up your story. What's number 3? You say how many went away. What's number 4? You write the groups here. Number 5, you use the minus sign. Isn't that easy? So, familias, número 1. Tienen que contar cuántos hay en total los niños. Número 2. Que hagan un cuento relacionado a los dibujitos. Número 3. Contar el total y poner el número y cuántos se van. Como aquí, había 5 pajaritos, 2 se volaron. Y la última, 5, escribir el símbolo de la semana, de restar, de quitar, okay? So don't forget, boys and girls, use these pictures. This is my last one. Listen, I'm going to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6 because I don't want to forget. There are 6 bunnies inside the den. 1 bunny went to go look for food. How many bunnies went to go look for food? 1. Boys and girls, I'm taking away. What's the sign I'm going to use? Minus. How many are left? Did you hear that question? Because you need to use that question too. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what, in Miss Condo's room, we always count twice, huh? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little dot so I don't get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because sometimes I don't want to skip numbers. 5. And remember, we're using appropriate numbers. Don't go underground. Numbers don't go underground. Nope, nope, nope. And don't go to the sky. Okay, we'll have some fun doing your math. And don't forget, who are we learning about? Linus the Minus.